How to write a business plan for school assignment. Define the purpose. Start by outlining the purpose of your business plan, which could be to secure funding, guide decision-making or measure success. Conduct market research. Research the industry, target market, and competition to get a clear understanding of the market landscape. Describe your business. Write an executive summary that provides an overview of your business, including its mission, vision, and goals. Outline your product, service. Provide a detailed description of the products or services you will offer, their features, benefits, and pricing strategy. Define your target market. Identify and profile your target market, including demographics, preferences, and buying behavior. Analyze your competition. Study the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors and how your business will differentiate from them. Develop a marketing plan. Outline your marketing strategy, including how you will reach your target market and promote your products, services. Define your operations. Describe how your business will run on a day-to-day basis, including processes, staffing, and logistics. Establish financial projections. Create detailed financial projections, including sales, expenses, and profits, for the next 3 to 5 years. Add supporting documents. Include any relevant documents such as market research reports, resumes, and industry reports. Review and refine. Review your plan and make revisions, taking feedback from mentors, classmates, or business professionals. Remember, the business plan should be comprehensive, but also concise and well presented. Your goal is to convince the reader that your business is viable and worthy of investment.